Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today is our 13th lecture of 1 class phonics. Let's start our work from page 41. Open your books. Okay students, look at this page. We had skipped the page in previous lecture. Today we complete this set. Firstly, you write the date on this page, June 30, 2020, and the day is Tuesday. Okay students, on this page the icons are read and match. Okay, the topic on this page is read and match words. Words. Okay, let's start. Look at the first picture. The first picture is graph. ग्राफ एक ऐसे पेज को बोलते हैं जिसमें ब्लॉक्स बने होते हैं. ये डिफरेंट चीज़ों की मेजरमेंट्स के लिए, मेजरमेंट्स शो करने के लिए हम इसको यूज़ करते हैं, इस पेज को. ठीक है, ग्राफ. एंड नेक्स्ट grapes. नेक्स्ट है ग्रास किसको बोलते हैं जी? घास को. गुड. ओके, फर्दर वर्ड्स देखें. इट से रिलेटेड ग्रुप, ग्रेट, ग्रे, ग्रेज, ग्रीन, ग्रैब, ग्रेड, ग्रो, ग्रॉल, grill. Okay students, you have to learn 5 to 6 words beginning with the words. Okay, next question is matching. We will match the same words with the help of scale. You will do this question. This is very easy. Okay students, come on the next page, page number 42. On this page the icons are make and write. The topic is make and write words. This is and there are some parts of word. We join these words with and make the full word and write on this line. For example, the first word is done for you. The second is match with at grade. So we join this word and write on this line. At grade. We write all these words 2 times. Okay, the next is grab. Is graze. In green. Grill. All growl. Okay, you done this question like this pattern. And the last question on this page, write the missing words. Firstly, we read the sentences. A cow eats dash. A cow eats grass. A cow eats grass. A hen likes to eat grain. A hen likes to eat grain. My sister achieved a grade. My sister achieved a grade. The clouds look grey. The clouds look grey. And the last, the plants need water and sunlight to grow. The plants need water and sunlight to grow. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये जितने भी सेंटेंसेस हैं इनकी रीडिंग आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह आनी चाहिए, ठीक है। नाउ ओपन पेज नंबर 49. Okay, look at this page. Firstly, we mention the date July 1, 2020 and the day Wednesday. Read and match skr words. Skr words. Okay. On this page, the first object is screen. Screen. Screen हम जैसे टीवी की जो स्क्रीन होती है, मोबाइल की स्क्रीन होती है, आपने देखा होगा, ठीक है, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं, स्क्रीन. एंड नेक्स्ट स्क्रू. स्क्रू ये एक टूल है जिसे हम कोई भी चीज़ वॉल पे एडजस्ट करने के लिए, हैंग करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, स्क्रू. ओके. एंड दिस इज स्क्रैच. स्क्रैच. स्क्रैच मीन रगड़ना, किसी भी चीज़ को रब करना, स्क्रैच. ओके. फर्दर वर्ड्स स्क्रॉल. स्क्रॉल, screech, screech, scroll, scroll, scrub, scrub. Okay, now next question is the matching. You will match the same words with the help of scale. Okay student, come on the next page, page number 50. On this page also the same question, make and write skr words. Okay, for example, you will match skr up, scrub, skr in, scream, skr each, screech, skr in, scream, skr all, scroll. Okay, you write these words 2 times. Write the missing words. I use a sponge to scrub myself. I use a sponge to scrub myself. It is a bad habit to scream. It is a bad habit to scream. There is a big screen in the cinema. There is a big screen in the cinema. Can you scratch my back? Can you scratch my back? This is a small screwdriver. This is a small screwdriver. Okay students, come on the next page. On this page you write the date July 2, 2020 and the day Thursday. On this page the topic is skr words. Skirt, 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 sky, sky, sketch, sketch, sketch. Sketch mean किसी भी चीज़ की पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना, या स्केच यानी कुछ भी ड्रॉ करने को हम कहते हैं स्केच. ओके. फर्दर वर्ड्स हैं स्केट, 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 स्किप, स्किप, स्किट, स्किड, स्किल, स्किल, स्किन, स्किन, skull, skull, skun, skunk. Okay student, next questions is matching of the same words. Okay, the next word make and write sk words. Sk in, skin, sk il, skill, sk id, skid, sk it, skate, sketch, sketch, skunk, skunk. Okay, write the missing words. The boy can make a beautiful sketch. Okay, we write the word sketch here. sketch, sketch. The boy can make a beautiful sketch. The man found a dash in the graveyard. Skull. The man found a skull in the graveyard. Look at the dash, it is a blue. Look at the sky, it is blue. Drawing is a good skill. Drawing is a good skill. I want you to wear this. I want you to wear this skirt. Okay students, come on the next page, page number 53, July 4, 2020, and it's your Saturday work. Read and match words. The first object, slice. Slice. Slice mean a piece of bread. Slice. Sleeve. Sleeve. स्लीव बोलते हैं, हमारे मतलब शर्ट का हो, कमीज़ का हो, बाजू, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? स्लीव. स्लीप. स्लीप. ओके, फर्दर वर्ड्स आर स्लैब. स्लैब. स्लैक. स्लैक. स्लैम. स्लैंट. स्लैप. स्लग and slash. Sled. Slept. Slide. Slim. Sling. Slip. And the last word is slow. Okay, next activity is matching. Come on the next page, page number 54. Make and write words. Okay, you will match the and join the parts of these words. For example, app, slab. You will write this okay, in each blank there is the missing word of we write with all words. Im, slim. Am, slam. Ip, slip. Slash, slash. Slide. Over, slow. Slug. Ice, slice. Okay, you have completed this question, and now write the missing words. The dash of my shirt are. The sleeves of my shirt are too short. I like to slide in the park. Will you go to sleep now? The girl is slim. She should eat more. Please finish your work. You are slow. Okay students, we have completed these pages, and you will do all work according to your diary. Look at the diary. Okay, look at the diary. Class 1 phonics diary, June 30, day Tuesday, page 41 to 42. Learn plus write on book. July 1 Wednesday, page 49 to 50, and Thursday 51 to 52. Friday revision of descriptions, and Saturday page 53 to 54, and Monday the whole week work revisions. Okay students, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.